It starts with a voice, and it starts with me. It comes from my whānau, my family. They gave me the strength to follow my dreams, the resilience and passion to say what I believe. Potential is a word that is used too casually, but I want you to realize that with hard work, we can succeed. Yes, we all have potential. However, the amount of negative statistics throughout New Zealand regarding Māori needs to stop. There are a lot of great Māori people who display potential, like Shane Patuai, working with Urutapu, and Taika Waititi, the famous director. They are just a couple of Māori who display potential. They don't sit there and talk about what they're going to do. They're out there taking action. We all need to realize that Māori really do have potential. They may not show it in school or in class. They could show it out on the field, on the streets, at home, or even on a farm. Many of us have a dream to become a lawyer, a doctor, a professional athlete, a farmer, or something totally different. And that is where it starts, with that dream. You do have the potential to get there, but how do we realize our potential? What is the secret to success, the key to the door, the podium finish, or that certificate of endorsement? I was once told by my teacher, Mr. James Frew, that he did not like the word potential. Why? Because it could feel or come across like an insult. For instance, if he uses it in my report card, it could say something like, Paula is such a good student. She has so much potential. So yeah, I have potential, but I may not use it. It's like saying that I am capable of doing something, but I don't put any effort into it. It's not specifying my future action. Or it's just a very vague catchphrase when people are trying to avoid being more specific. Do you know what I think? I think Shane Patuai is pretty bomb because she is helping to empower the younger generation of Māori women in a program called Urutapu. Urutapu is a unique leadership kaupapa for Tamihine. They believe every young woman is born with innate gifts and talents, and when they're nurtured and developed, and those powers activate, they are capable of changing our world. Shane is someone I admire. She is helping our young women make something of themselves, helping them become what they want. Shane is an amazing Māori woman, a Māori woman from Morewa, a Māori woman who went from working on My Fem to the reason a lot of our young women believe in themselves more. Shane, she has potential, and when she sees potential in others, she is willing to help them realize their potential. I've heard a few times that Māori are just going to be another statistic, and it isn't fair. Just because a group of Māori before us may not have succeeded does not mean we can't. Not all Māoris will turn out to be school dropouts, sell drugs, end up in jail, and be nothing. It's about how hard we work and how far we are willing to go to succeed. Just like Master Ugwe said, yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, and today is a gift, which is why they call it the present. So why is it that many of us cannot forget about that part of the past and focus on the amount of potential we are all filled with today? Hey, Mr. Langston, what does that word mean? Potential. Boy, directed by Taika Waititi, as well as Hunt for the Wilder People, Two Cars One Night, plus many more. These films have all become successful through his hard work. Taika personifies potential. Did Taika let anyone put him down just because he's Māori? No. Taika is an amazing Māori man who has worked really, really hard to realize his potential, the potential that every person has, that will, I repeat, will help you in the future. So now it's my turn, my definition of potential, and the answer to all of my questions. What does that word mean? Potential. It means hard work, determination, and effort. Every one of us here can walk around and say, I'm a good student, I have so much potential, but it's about the hard work behind that. Do you do your homework? Do you do your classwork or listen to your teachers? And exams, if they're hard, do you just sit there and say nah? Do you give up? Do you put your pen down? And assessments, do you always just go for an achieved? Do you copy and paste information you find off the internet? Or do you want an excellence? Will you type till you can't no more? Will you continue to grind and thrive through your negative mentality and show that you do have the determination? It starts with a voice, and it starts with me. It comes from my whānau, my family. They gave me the strength to follow my dreams, the resilience and passion to say what I believe. Potential is a word that is used too casually, but I want you to realize that with hard work, we can succeed. Thank you.